Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I just wanted to share my experience of using the Lingo glucose biosensor by Abbott. And the thing I wanted to share about this is that I am someone that is terrified of needles. I do not like them, don't really like looking at them, or even thinking about inserting a needle inside of myself. However, I did think that this would be something worthwhile to do and to get the information from it. So I was able to endure applying that, and I wanted to share that experience with you in case you are someone that does not like needles and thinks, okay, I can't do that, it's not worth it. From my experience, it was doable. It wasn't that bad, and I know some people are probably out there like, okay, get over it, baby. As you can see, I have this in currently, and it's not bothering me at all, which is great. When you take it out and you look at this, you get a little bit of a pack here that you pull the seal off, and then you have this applicator. At first, I was thinking I'm gonna have to somehow jam this in myself. Obviously, I was a little bit naive because I've never done this before until now. But if you are someone that doesn't like needles, you probably haven't looked into it that much. So the applicator, lifesaver, and you have the sealed device itself. Basically, what you do when you open all of this up is you peel this off and you unscrew the applicator. You plunge it down into there and it grabs onto the biosensor and pulls it up. All you really have to do then is put it in the spot that you want. I probably put it a little bit lower than I would have loved. However, I do wear this Whoop band on my arm, so I didn't really want it rubbing against there. I could have switched the Whoop band, or I could have switched the biosensor, but overall it works okay. So you have the applicator, you stick it in, you have your biosensor in there. I'm not actually going to demonstrate this right now because I'm going to be applying this later on when this one is no longer good. So the applicator helped immensely. You load it, you put it against your skin, and you push against it, and really it is pretty seamless, and you really don't even notice it. A lot less than I actually thought. So I put it on there, and you push until it clicks, and it's in. Sticks on, hasn't been an issue. So if you are someone that is avoiding using some kind of glucose monitor because of the needles, I can tell you I am in the same boat and had been until now. It's not that bad, and you can get it in there, and the applicator helps a lot. Quick tip though, once you load that into the applicator, I wanted to see, I'm like, oh, you know, the needle can't be that big. It was a lot bigger than I actually thought it was going to be, and I had second thoughts for about a second, and I'm like, I better just do it. So I just jumped in. So once you get that loaded, don't look at the biosensor if you're really squeamish or have any second thoughts. You might second guess that. So load it up, don't look at it, just find a spot, and it just clicks. It was really easy and actually painless. So highly recommend trying it out, even if you're someone that doesn't like needles. There are maybe some other spots I could have put it, some alternate spots, etc., but that's for a future time to consider. But you can do it even if you have a fear of needles, do not like needles, don't like looking at them, don't like thinking about them. I find that it was worth it to give it a try, and even if you are in that camp, you can do it. Check it out. Lingo, and I know there's other ones out there. If you have any questions or experiences, leave that in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.